Today, I'm going to make the famous grilled cheese sandwich with tomato gravy. Trust me, this is super tasty and delicious. If you try this, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. First, in a cooking pot, I'm adding some oil. Then I'm adding some chopped onion. I'm frying the chopped onion until it becomes crystal clear. After that, I'm adding lots of tomatoes and cooking them for a few minutes. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. I mix everything well, then add some water and cook it until the tomatoes get soft and warm. Now it's time to add the spices. You know my cooking is always with lots of spices, so I'm adding red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, some salt, and for color, I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm mixing all the spices into the tomatoes and cooking it for a couple of minutes until the water dries out. Next, I'm adding some cashew nuts. This is totally optional, but cashew makes the gravy more creamy and tasty. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Then I'm adding some green chili for heat. If you don't like spicy food, you can avoid it, but if you add the green chili, it gives extra flavor and heat, which spicy food lovers will enjoy. Once the tomatoes are completely soft and the water has dried out, I'm turning off the stove and letting it cool. To make the cooling process faster, I'm using some ice cubes. When the temperature comes down, I'm putting the mixture into a blender and making a smooth paste. Now I'm turning on the stove again and adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to the gravy. I'm also adding half a cup of milk. You can use cream as well, but I prefer milk because I don't like it too creamy, so milk is perfect. I'm cooking it for another 10 minutes until the mixture becomes slightly thicker. Then I'm turning off the stove. Our tomato gravy is ready. Now it's time to make the grilled cheese sandwich. I'm taking a slice of bread and adding a slice of cheese. Today, I'm using marble cheese, but you can use mozzarella or any type of cheese. Marble and mozzarella make the best combination for grilled cheese. I'm sprinkling some chili flakes on top and placing another slice of bread over it. In a big frying pan, I'm adding some butter. Once the butter melts, I'm placing the sandwich in the pan and toasting it from both sides. Look at that, it looks amazing. The grilled cheese sandwich is ready, and our tomato gravy is already done too. Now it's time to serve. You can enjoy this grilled cheese sandwich with the tomato gravy. It tastes really good. Trust me, if you try this at home, you're going to love this recipe. The whole process takes a maximum of 45 minutes, and it's a delicious dish for dinner or lunch. Try this at home and let me know how you like the recipe. Till then, happy cooking!